Walgreens deals this week. Here are some of my favorite deals at Walgreens this week, starting February 23rd and ending March 1st. We're beginning with these 4 gains. They are at 4 for $16. There are no digital coupons, and you're not going to get something back because the price is already a really good price. But you could use Walgreens Cash or Register Rewards to pay for these items. Or you could put them into a perk deal. For example, the ones that I've been mentioning about the picture, spend 15, get 5. This would be great because it's already $16. You can use that perk, take away 5. It'll be 11 divided by the 4. So that comes out way better. Here are some more items and a great deal. We have these 3 for $9. So you have the choice of the fabric, the car clips, the sprays, and you also have the Dawn soap, and you have the plug-in. So some of those options are here, and you can check the others out at your store. 3 for $9, really good. It comes out to $3 for each one, and you can use Walgreens Cash or Register Rewards to pay, or as you know, put them in a perk. On to the next one. Before we continue, don't forget to like and follow so that you continue to receive notifications of when I post the videos and you can get those savings and those deals and tips. Also, don't forget to share so that more people could save just like you and I. So we have the Gain dish soap at $1.99. Check if you have any coupons from that are old or any new ones. I didn't get one, but it's not a bad deal for $1.99 for dish soap. I have been posting some deals already. I've posted quite a few, so go check those out as well so you can see what else is on sale this week apart from the ones in this video. Let's continue. Persil is on sale this week for $5.99 with a $2 digital coupon, so make sure you clip that coupon. It's such a great price at $3.99 after. I will be posting a video of how you can get an 8x10 for free, so stay tuned for that video coming up soon. And here are some more offers. We have the Power Wash Dawn soaps at 4 for $16. Check your digital coupons to see if you have one. I know I had a 50 cents one off for the video that I posted to you guys last night on the sales of this week. Soap, the dish soap, I had a 50 cents off. I saw it this morning. So check your accounts to see what coupons you have. Clip everything before going in to do your shopping. And some of the stuff you can actually get online, but either way, clip your coupons. 4 for $16 is a good deal already. And again, the same as the beginning of the video, because this is already $16, you could use that spend 15, get 5 back in Walgreens Cash on this transaction as well, bringing it down to $11 for all 4 items. So don't forget to like and share and follow for more videos. Until the next one, don't forget to smile.